Yo, testing, testing. Alright, what's up, guys? Today I want to talk about Best Buy's open box policy and my experience with buying laptops from Best Buy that have the open box certification. Every year I choose a laptop that I want to keep for the year and sell it off and upgrade for another laptop, and which is why I'm able to, make these review videos, because I am choosing so many laptops. And I want to make sure I have the latest updated tech, and I want to be able to report what I find so that you as a consumer can be well educated. If you're choosing between all these, there's a million options in the gaming laptop industry. So that's the reason why I created this YouTube channel, and it's very important that you guys know the not necessarily risks of buying open box laptops from Best Buy, but just the precautions that you guys should take and the truths behind it. So the first time I went to Best Buy, the first open box laptop I got was actually a Dell XPS 9 575. It was like a 2-in-1 laptop with a innovative, it was like an integrated graphics, but it was still powerful enough to run Apex Legends and a few other games, a few other shooters. And then I eventually ended up going into a high refresh rate gaming monitor, and then I bought a high refresh rate gaming PC or gaming laptop, and that is where I started to really just test out a bunch of laptops from Best Buy and buy a bunch of open box deals because they were coming in at such a good discount. So the first time I came in, I was looking at a couple models, and I looked at the internals. So I bought a used laptop, looked at the internals, saw that one of them had a stripped screw, and I was super angry at this because I wanted to replace the M.2 and use my own SSD in that laptop. So had to return that, and I figured because it was coming in at such a $400 discount, that was my only bad experience when it comes to buying a gaming laptop from Best Buy. Now another instance, here's the opposite side of that, where I actually bought a laptop from Best Buy, and it said it had like a very big scratch on the screen. So I opened it up, checked out the screen before I even bought it, and I was asking the Best Buy representative, I was like, hey dude, where's the scratch on the screen? Why is this discounted so low? And he was like, oh yeah man, we just want to give our customers the best deals even though they don't have any marks on them or something like that. And it just made me think, is Best Buy certifying these and labeling these as damaged but selling them for cheap because it's harder for them to sell used product? I think that's the case here. I think the truth is, even though Best Buy might mark it down as satisfactory or excellent, regardless, there's nothing wrong with these laptops. They're just returns. They're basically open box returns, and then if you get the excellent or the good, if you get the excellent certified, that pretty much guarantees it's refurbished. Basically, they just clean it and they just wipe the drives. But I see no problem buying the satisfactory unless you're not okay with having stripped screws. That's the only experience I have. So that's why it's important to run full diagnostics on the CPU, GPU, and check the internals, and check for dead pixels. Those are the 4 things that you need to do if you're buying used laptops from Best Buy. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a precaution about this and my truth and my case about Best Buy's open box. So see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.